Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is free to join and you fill out a profile, and if you're selected they send you a free box of samples. All that they ask is that you review the products after you've received them. It's been a while since I've gotten one, so I'm excited to see what's inside. So right on top we have a protein snack mix, sweet barbecue mix, gluten-free, 12 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber. Looks pretty good. Ooh, I love these. These are ginger chews. Oh, it says with Mandarin orange. I haven't had that. I've just had like the plain ginger chews and they're pretty good if you like ginger. So got a pack of those. Next up we have Herb Guru Fruity Recovery Herbal Tea. It says honey, cinnamon, blueberry, licorice root. Oh my god, I love licorice. I know it's one of those things that you love or hate. Most people hate it, but I love licorice. That's awesome. I'll have to look for the licorice flavored one, see if they have it in the store. And then we got a couple samples. Beauty is Renew face cream. Non-GMO. Pretty cool. And then Vidor Energy. This is wintergreen flavor. Boosts energy and freshens breath. I have had these before, they're not too bad. And they are sugar-free. Next up I have organic coconut oil. 16 single-serve packets, cold-pressed, unrefined. It's like a whole box of that. So here's what that looks like. And you could use this for all sorts of stuff. Cooking, or you could use it on your body as lotion. People even use it for like whitening their teeth. I haven't tried that, but many purposes for coconut oil. And then a few more things in the box. Hydralyte, clinical hydration rapid results. Oh, they're little tablets. Effervescent Electrolyte tablets. And it comes in natural orange flavor. Next we have Sun and Earth. Oh cool, it's an instant stain remover. It's one of the little stain remover pens. Very nice, I could definitely use that since I have kids and they're constantly wiping their hands on me and getting me messy. And then at the bottom, typically we do get coupons and advertisements for some of the brands in the boxes. So there's a 30% off for K's. More about that herbal tea. Definitely need to check that out. I'm hoping that's good. Sounds like it will be. And then a little advertisement. So that's what I got. I will leave their link below in case you want to sign up and create a profile. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.